Alright, enough is enough. Have you ever wondered if you can actually get paid from videos like this? You know what? In this video, I'm gonna figure out and I'm gonna find out if these methods actually work or not. So, it's time to get our 50 cents per video being watched. Alright, so enough talking and let's do this!
I recently made over $200 online for simply watching videos, and today, I'm going to show you how to earn 50 cents for every single video that you watch. If it's 2 videos, you will make about $1. If you watch 10 videos, you get paid $5 over and over again. And here's how to do that. The first thing you need to do is come over to this new website right here that we're going to be using to make money online by watching videos. I'm going to reveal the name later in the video. But as you can see, on average, you can earn about $16.31 every single day on this website, which is not bad. They already paid out their users over $500,000, as you can see. So now, what you're gonna want to do first is create your free account. Just click on register an account.
Alright, the website is actually called Rewardy. Over here as you can see, rewardy.io. So I'm gonna go ahead and register an account first, and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright, as you can see, I've just registered a new account over here. I have 0 points, I have $0. By the way guys, over here as you can see, right, this golden coin with a dollar sign, this is actually points. This is not the actual dollars that you are earning. The actual dollars is over here, the one in the bracket form. So don't get it twisted, man. Don't get it twisted. I wish that's the dollars. I wish that we'll be getting money from here, but apparently not. These are just like the in-game currency, I guess, the rewardy currency. Yeah, so it's just basically points. It's not dollars. Yeah, as you can see over here, $5.61 for the average user per withdrawal yesterday, and the total earnings is $548,000. Not too bad. Not too bad. 1.1k reviews on Trustpilot. That is excellent, right? 4.5 stars. That's a good sign. So over here as you can see the favorite rewards section. So you can basically withdraw in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, PayPal, Amazon, Roblox, you know, all those good stuff depending on your taste. So you can actually earn over $5 a day listening to music, watching streams, and taking quizzes. I don't care about the rest. I don't care about the other things. All I care about is to earn money watching streams and watching videos, I guess, basically, as advertised on the video. Okay, so we're not gonna bother about the listening to music part, taking quizzes part, playing games part. I don't know what other choices the rewardy section has. But for us today, for the purpose of this video, it's just gonna be strictly watching videos. That's it. That's all there is to it.
Let's talk about the most important part, which is how you are going to make money. So, the first step is you want to click where it says earn right here, and it will then take you to this page. It's going to show us a lot of different ways to make money online. You can earn, for example, by completing offers and playing games. You can earn by watching streams and listening to music. You can earn by watching clips, and there's different more ways to earn money. But as you already know, our focus for today's video is going to be watching videos. So, I want you to go and click on watch streams right here. It's going to then take you to a page like this. But don't worry, if you don't have a Twitch account, you can still make money with this method by watching these video streams without creating a Twitch account. Now, as you can see, we have many different videos, but most of these are gaming videos, like Roblox for example, Fortnite, Minecraft, and so on. You can earn money by watching any of your favorite gaming videos. Here is how much you will earn. As it says, you will get paid $2 points per minute for each video that you watch. But this will also depend on your country. You might earn a little bit more than this or a little bit less, depending on where you live. Now, what you can also do to earn even 10 times more money than others is you can open multiple videos in different tabs or different windows at the same time. Instead of earning, for example, $1 for each video you watch, now you can earn $10 if you just open 10 tabs at the same time.
Alright, so according to the video, what we have to do next is to go ahead to earn section over here and click on watch streams. Okay, so it's mainly Twitch related streams, right? So as you can see over here, it's all streams. Or you can listen to music as well. You can watch clips. You can play Flappy Bird if it's still a thing. You can take quizzes as well. So, like I said, I'm not gonna bother with the other stuff. I'm just gonna go ahead with the streams, just strictly video related, just to earn money. Alright, so over here, as you can see, according to the video, it is mainly about gaming videos, right? Gaming streams. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead with any of it. I'm just gonna try. Oh yeah, by the way, according to the video, right, depending on your country, you will be earning different points, different rates. Yeah, he didn't really exactly state how much different countries will earn, but it definitely differs. So I'm guessing, right, the typical scenarios, such as like the English-speaking countries, the US, the UK, Canada, Australia, you know, all those top-paying countries, I guess. Those kind of countries will actually earn you more, typically, right? I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure whether this is true or not. But according to the video, he did mention that that is a thing, right? So we gotta keep that in mind. So I'm just gonna go ahead with Counter-Strike, I guess, for the first one over here. So I'll be earning 2 points per minute over here. As you can see, 2 points, not $2, I wish, but 2 points per minute. Right, so yeah, I'm watching right now. I'm watching a stream of Counter-Strike. For the record, I've never ever watched a stream. This is my first time watching, so I don't really know what's happening. Although I play some games myself, but I don't know. I don't know what's happening for the most part. Per minute, right? Yeah, per minute. So I guess I just have to stay here for 1 minute, and hopefully at this section, right, it goes to 2. It should go to 2. It better go to 2, because that's what is being shown over here. Boom! Alright. Guys, check this out, right? 2 points. That's it. 2 points. 2 points. Oh wow. Okay. Let's see if we can hit 4 at least. Yeah, so anything like online related, right? Playing games, watching videos, taking surveys, you know, all those good stuff, right? If you actually genuinely enjoy doing them, then might as well just get paid with it. Yeah, so like the videos suggest as well, don't expect to be a millionaire from doing all of these. It's definitely something that, you know, can actually give you a little extra pocket money or two. So it's definitely a good thing. Right, it's a good thing, but it will take some time. Yeah, it will take some time, so don't expect too much out of it as well. And check this out. I've earned 1 cent. I've earned 1 cent. Wow, I've earned 1 cent, guys. That's it. That's it. However, the title suggests, right, that we should be getting paid 50 cents per video. Okay, so I'm just gonna let this stream run in the background and see how much I can actually earn by 30 minutes.
Earn points to watch short and trending clips, and you will get rewarded for every 5 minutes you watch. Let's just click on that. As you can see, here is the requirements. You will need to install an app first, and then enter the username that you will find here, and you then start watching clips and earn money. Here's exactly how much you're going to earn. And to install the app, just click here, and it's going to take you to Google Play, where you can download it. It's called Live Stream Clips-Viral Clips. All the money you earn on the app will be automatically added to your account on this website. You just have to type your username here on the app.
Alright, so another method, right, that the video mentioned is that we can actually run different streams all at one go. Right, so you know, in order to speed up the entire money making process. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna set this video quality to 160p over here. Right, according to the video, right, it will, you know, help us save our internet speed or some stuff like that. Right, so it doesn't take up too much space, data, you know, all this good stuff. So according to the video, right, the person mentioned that, you know, to open as many as you want basically, but he mentioned 10 of them, so I'm gonna try and do it as well. Alright, another method is to watch clips right here. To earn points, to watch short and trending clips, to get rewarded for every 5 minutes you watch. Right, so gonna go here with this, gonna try this one out. It is still under the whole, watching videos to earn money. I apologize, but I don't own an Android. I use an iPhone, so as you can see over here, iOS over here, there's nothing to be clicked over here, right? Only Android. So according to the video, if you were to download this app, right, and then just key in your username and then watch whichever video is being shown, then you will get credited to your Rewardee account in terms of points, right? For every 5 minutes, you will earn 1 to 10 points for every 5 minutes you watch over at the app over here. So I apologize, guys, that I can't carry this out. If you guys use an Android and if you guys attempt this method, please let me know, let everyone know at the comment section down below if you actually attempted this, and let us know how much you earn or if you can actually earn. Alright guys, what I'm gonna do now is that I'm just gonna let all of these streams run for an hour. Alright, for 1 hour. I'm gonna let this play for 1 hour and hopefully we'll get more money. Because right now, all I have is 2 cents over here. I'm trying to get a 50. Alright, I'll try to get the 50 cents by an hour. Okay, just 1 hour. Alright, I'm gonna try my best to earn 50 cents from here by today. Alright, before my night ends, I'm gonna get 50 cents. And then I'll get back to you guys with an update. If, however, by the next hour, I don't get my goal, I don't get 50 cents, then I guess it doesn't work. Alright, but to be fair, because I'm not too sure how much the other option of the watching clips method, how much will we actually pay, right? But for watching streams, this is all we got. Alright, so, but whatever it is, I'm just gonna try my best to get 50 cents first. I'll let it play for 1 hour and then I will update you guys.
1 hour later.
Alright, man. It's been an hour. It's been 1 hour, right? It's been 1 full hour. Okay, so check it out. We've earned a whopping amount of 90 points. 90 points. We didn't even make 10 cents. Yeah, I've opened up 9 tabs actually. I'll give this page a refresh. Yeah, sure enough, it's only 90 points still. It's been an hour. Alright, just for the sake of this, let's just round it up to 10 cents. Okay, just 10 cents. And if we want to actually withdraw money, we need a minimum amount of 5,000 points. 5,000 points. How long are we gonna wait just to get 5,000 points? I mean, we waited for like an hour just for 9 cents. Just for 9 cents. Not even 90 cents. 90 points, sure, but not even. So in order to get this amount at this current rate, right? Just from streaming, right? Just from watching streams, I believe we need like around 6 hours or so. 5+ hours, I guess, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 5 hours plus. Just to get 500 points. And just to get 50 cents. That's it. No. It's way too long. Or it's way too long. So if anyone enjoys watching streams, right? Watching these type of streaming videos, like gaming related ones, if you actually genuinely enjoy watching it and then you want to get some money out of it, then yes, go ahead. Right, go ahead and do it. If you spend a lot of hours watching the streams, maybe it's a good idea for you guys. But for the most part, for the ones who don't participate in stream watching on a regular, and if you want to earn money online, I think there are way better options out there. Probably Flappy Bird will earn more. Probably playing Flappy Bird over here will earn us more money. Or maybe the other tabs wasn't working. I'm not too sure. right? It was loading all along. I guess it doesn't really work, I guess, for the 10 taps strategy that he mentioned. So yeah guys, that's all for this video. I don't think it works. If you guys give this method a shot, let me know in the comment section down below and let us know how much you actually earn from the entire method. Yeah, so that's it. That's all there is to it, and pretty sure I wasted my time for doing this. But I say, if you actually did the clip watching method right, let me know as well in the comments below. Alright, so that's all there is to it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!